No matter what business you're in online, there's two things that you're going to need. You're going to need the right tools and you're going to need the right skill set. Today, I'm so excited because I'm going to share with you a tool that has helped me to launch my business, to build my business, and have given me the skill set that I need to sustain my business online. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? It's Reggie Piggy's Prospering Dad TV, motivation, mindset, marketing, where entrepreneurs come to thrive. And I want to welcome you back to the channel. But if you're brand new, I want you to be sure to go and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below. So when I upload new content that's going to help you explode your business online, you'll be the first to know. I'm very excited because this is the first video I've done of this type, which is like a tutorial. And the reason why I'm excited is because I know just how much this tool, My Lead System Pro, is going to help you advance your business. It's going to take you from 0 to 60 in no time flat. It's going to give you the skill sets that you need. It's going to give you the training that you need. And I'm going to take you behind the curtain and I'm just going to share some things with you to get you excited about My Lead System Pro and to get this tool into your toolbox. So as you can see, we're in my back office right here, and it's an amazing place. There are so many different things that you can do here, but what we're going to focus on today is we're going to focus on the already done systems that are for you. Now, what happens with most people, when you come into the industry, you are only promoting that one thing. But you want to know how to build your audience, engage your audience, and sell to your audience. And how do we do that? That's by having lead magnets. Now you might be saying, Reggie, listen, I'm focusing on my business right now, and that's a great thing. But are you attracting the leads that you want? What type of results are you getting right now? When you can learn how to use a lead magnet and some of the other things that I'm going to share with you in this tutorial, you'll see the benefit of this affiliate program. This is not an MLM. It's not a network marketing opportunity. It is like going to get your PhD for pennies on the dollar. It really is. What if I told you that you can be exposed to multiple six-figure earners every Monday through Friday with free training that you can share with your prospects, clients, or leads? What if I told you that every Wednesday night you can get on and give away free training to help your prospects by exposing them to some of the top leaders in the industry today? Well, that's just some of the things that My Lead System Pro can do for you. I want you to be clear about the fact that it's relatively simple to build a business online when you have the right tools and you have the right skill set. But the point is to get those tools in your hand and learn how to use them the right way. And that's exactly what My Lead System Pro can do for you and what it has done for me and countless others. Some of the top people that you see in the industry today, the Ray Higdons, the Diane Hockmans of the world, the Lisa Torres Allens, the Keisha Basses, the list goes on and on, Steve Kribda, the list goes on and on, have all come through this door or they have remained in this space helping entrepreneurs like you and me to achieve the success that we want in our business. So let's take a look. Let's go behind the curtain. Let's take a look at what My Lead System Pro has to offer. Now, one of the things that you may not understand is the terminology if you're brand new. For example, you may not know what a lead magnet is. A lead magnet is something that you can give away for free that's going to attract people to you, because you are giving value about something that they have a concern with something that's a pain point for them and that they need an answer to. So that's what a lead magnet is. Now, connected with a lead magnet is what's called a capture page. A capture page is where after you have got their attention and you have attracted them towards you, a capture page is something that you're going to use to get their information. Now, generally, you definitely want to get their name, and you want to get their email, and if you're very, very subtle and this might take you a little bit to develop in terms of your skill set, you want to ask for their phone number. Here in My Lead System Pro, we have what's called a CRM, Customer Relation Manager, which is basically a mailing list. Now, if you're not aware, having a mailing list is very important. You definitely want to get your prospects and clients on your mailing list so you can reach out to them, share information with them, and just keep them abreast of what's going on, and so they can stay connected to you. If you don't have a mailing list, you should have something like an autoresponder. If you don't know what an autoresponder is a list like Aweber or MailChimp or something that's outside where your prospects and clients end up on your mail list, where you can do bulk emails to them and just share information to your list. After all, if you haven't been told, the money is in your list. So with My Lead System Pro, you get a free CRM as part of your membership, which is awesome. And you can manage that list and you can send emails to those individuals whenever you choose. If you do have a mailing list, I recommend that you definitely hit your mailing list at least once or twice a week. I'm going to share with you some lead magnets right here in MLSP that's going to help you leverage your time and get your information out and help to draw and attract people to you. So let me open up this list. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go here, where it says My Websites, and you want to scroll down to System Campaigns. Now, System Campaigns are already done for you. You didn't have to put the material together. You didn't have to create the links. You didn't have to do the SEO. You didn't have to do anything. A System Campaign is a lead magnet that you can just freely use and share with your audience, which is absolutely awesome. I use these all the time, and it's the reason why you want to have a lead magnet and have an affiliate business is this. The majority of people that are going to come in contact with your information, they're not going to buy from you. That's just the way it is. I'm sorry. That's just the way it works out. It takes multiple touches. But if you can provide them with something that gives an answer to a problem that they have, let's say, for example, they're struggling on Facebook. Well, here in the System Campaigns, you can find a lead magnet on Facebook, about Facebook, and you can share that, and then they end up on your list, and you can continue the relationship and building that relationship. Let's say it's Instagram. Instagram is a great place to build your business. You can share information here that's a lead magnet, get people on your list. After all, 97% of people quit in the first couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, because they don't know what to do and they don't know how to generate leads. So with this particular tool, that's going to eliminate that for you, and it's going to help you because you can help other entrepreneurs who are struggling by sharing this information with them and helping to educate them on how to build their business online. So I'm just going to jump right in here. We're going to open up the System Campaigns, and we're going to look at a few of them. So, for example, here, as you can see how to create your first ebook and become an instant authority. Facebook, how you can use Facebook to generate leads. Facebook, how to get social media leads. There's so many different things that you can do here by jumping on and getting into these System Campaigns and giving them away. So how do we do that? Here in My Lead System Pro, it's very easy. You just go right here, and if you want to preview, you hit the spyglass. And when you hit the spyglass, it opens up a preview, so you can preview what it is the campaign is about. So this one's about creating your first ebook in minutes. Now, there's great power in creating an ebook. It gives you authority in the marketplace, and it's very simple to do. And this is a step-by-step PDF. To get the link, let's say, for that, all you go here, you click right here, and as you can see, the links to the already done for you capture pages in My Lead System Pro, which is another great time saver. You don't have to create the capture pages. If you don't know anything about capture pages, My Lead System Pro does all the work for you. You can go right here and you just click on this link, and you see that the link will be connected to you. It will be cookie to you, and you just share this link with a prospect or with a potential client, and they get the information that they need. Let's take a look at another one. Let's say, for example, you want to learn how to prospect to generate 50 leads per day. Same thing, you go here, you click on the link, highlight the link, and there you go. You have the information to share with your audience. It's an amazing, 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 powerful tool. And the thing that's so awesome, the great thing that I want to share with you guys is this. Every Wednesday, there is a live webinar. Now let's see who's on the webinar this week. There's an amazing webinar every Wednesday night. Actually, let me do it this way. We can actually access even through system campaigns, we can access the weekly webinar. As you can see right here, at Wednesday webinar registration page changes each week, but you can go right here and let's see what this week's webinar is all about. Okay, this week's webinar, live training plus demo, 3 simple steps to create the #1 most profitable business funnel for your business. Now, if you're brand new, you may not know what a funnel is. You may not have any idea what a funnel is, but somebody in your audience or somebody who you are in connection with may want to know how to use funnels. So you can take this link right here, and you can create a post on Facebook or in Facebook groups or Instagram, Twitter, wherever you are, and share that link to get people to come to the webinar. And anybody that uses your link now is on your list and they're cookie to you. So even if they come back to My Lead System Pro and they want to buy a course or they want to do any other business or buy any other training in My Lead System Pro, they are cookie to you and you can earn a commission. And that's the other thing that's great about My Lead System Pro. Not only is this a great place for you to train, you can also create additional income for yourself by sharing information and helping other struggling entrepreneurs online. If you want to know more, there's a link down in the descriptions below that can help you get greater access and enroll into My Lead System Pro. So if you got value from this video, please let me know. Drop in the comments. Let me know what you thought about today's tutorial. If you want to know more about My Lead System Pro, make sure that you leave a comment. Make sure that you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so when I upload new content, you'll be the first to know. So, with all that said, I want to see you on my next video.